What's going on, guys? It's Nathan and I'm bringing you another video. I appreciate, oh shoot dude, I just ran over a little family of quail. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to my videos and subscribing and showing me love in the comment section and liking the videos, bro. That shit really makes me want to grind harder on this YouTube shit, bro. I'm really gonna come up, bro. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. But anyway, right now I'm in my 2018 Mercedes E43 AMG, and I'm just giving you guys a quick POV. I mean, it's a little bit cloudy out, as you guys can see. It's a nice day, bruh. I got my Celsius right here. I'm about to hit the gym. Yeah. Anyway, we're cold right now. We just got in the car, so we're waiting for us to warm up a little bit before I you know what I'm talking about, before I go a little crazy. But how's everybody's day going, bro? I hope everybody's having a good day. I hope you're blessed, bro. I've been praying for each and every one of you, and yeah, I hope you're blessed. I hope everything is good with you guys, dude, and everything like that, bro. Look how nice this day is, though, dude. I love the clouds, bro. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so nice. Here, let me show you guys something. If I go over here to vehicle, and then I go to dynamic select, and then engine data, check this out. Woo! Sheesh. Oh shit, can we make this light? We can. Oh my gosh, that sounds so nice. That house is so nice, dude. I drove by it the other day, bro, and I seen a Lamborghini Huracan outside of that house. That's crazy, dude. Motherfuckers got money around here. This car is so nice. I'm gonna catch up with you guys when it's a little warmed up. Oh, but sometimes I don't feel like talking, but sometimes I just feel like giving you guys like just a raw video, raw content, no talking, nothing, just an AMG noise and nothing else, bro. I hope that's cool with you guys. Sometimes I be letting my personality go, but like, I don't know, bro. Sometimes I just, damn, look at those lights. Sick. Ooh, shit, people probably think I'm crazy fucking recording while I drive. It's all good, bro. You can't care what people think. Dude, I'm gonna hit you guys when I get out of this parking garage. Let me know what you guys think of the G80s, bro. I don't know. At first I didn't like them, but when I saw them in person, they actually look really good. Oh shit, bro. Oh yeah, let me through here. Oh shit, I gotta chill a little bit. Bro, I love it when like the videos just like flow, bro. I love it when I love to make videos. I don't like it when I like feel like I'm forcing myself to make a video, bro. Damn, there's a lot of people out right now, bro. I wonder if we can just go for it. There we go. Oh. Go ahead, shorty. Now let me chill, bro. Somebody made a comment in my other video, like, less misogynist. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm not even that misogynist, bro. I just be chilling sometimes, bro. Oh shit, bro. Shorty just ran across the road. I gotta chill a little bit. Bro, there was a cop right there behind me when I did that. I didn't even realize. I gotta be careful, brother. I gotta be careful. Damn, bro, it's such a nice day, bro. This quality's nice. I love this new camera. Tell me what you guys think about the quality, bro. The quality's low-key. Oh, Mercedes Benz. Bro, life is so good, bro. I'm so blessed, brother. I'm so blessed. I can't even complain, bro. Life is so good, bro. Life is so good, bro. Damn, bro, there's a lot of traffic right now, bro. For a Sunday. It's literally Sunday. There's a lot of traffic, bro. I don't like that. Look at that one. That's a nice car, bro. Little fun fact, bro. I used to work here, bro. I used to work here. I don't know if I want to tell you guys that because I'm not trying to drop my low, bro. But I used to work at this hotel right here, bro. Shit's crazy, brother. Bro, I want a motorcycle so bad, bro. I want to get an R6. I want to get an R6 hella bad, bro. Look at these guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's funny. Bro. See, bro, everybody tries to race me in this car, bro. I don't want to race nobody, bro. I'm not doing no racing, bro. Hell no, bro. I'm not getting caught for fucking street racing, bro. That's fucking charges, dude. I know about that. It's all about being careful, bro. It's about having fun, but it's about being fucking careful while you have fun, bro. Fuck. Just so you guys know, I'm fully aware of like being safe on the road. And I know that I'm putting, if I drive fast, I put other people's lives in danger. I put my own life in danger. So I'm fully aware of that, and I try to be as safe as possible, bro. I don't cut up in traffic. I don't fucking drive 100 miles per hour in a 40, dude. I don't do that, bro. I might do a couple little pulls here and there, but other than that, bro, I drive really safe, bro, because I don't want to put other people's lives in danger, bro, for my content, bro. I don't do that, bro. So I hope you guys can hear me good. There's a little bit of wind, bro. I have the windows down so you guys can hear the engine noise and stuff like that. But yeah, bro, I don't like to put other people's lives in danger just for my content. I try to be as safe as possible while also giving you guys some good content. So I just want to let you guys know that and stuff like that. So alright guys, I just gave you guys a little POV. I know it wasn't like as long as the video as I usually do, and I wasn't going that crazy, but I just want to give you guys a little POV. Nothing crazy. It's a little cloudy out right now. I'm trying not to drop my location. But yeah, but I appreciate everybody for watching. You guys have a good night, alright? God bless.